Okay, so here is our fall 2021 8-week online session calendar. All the tasks in red need to be completed in Revel, which is through the Pearson link in Blackboard. All the tasks in purple need to be submitted on Blackboard. So, Module A is going to take 2 weeks to complete. It'll cover development, theories, prenatal, and birth. So you'll see, the first week will cover chapter one and chapter two. Week two will cover chapter three and four. The tasks in red need to be completed through Revel. So for these first 2 weeks, it's just the chapter quizzes and creating your virtual child at the end of week two. The purple tasks are again completed in Blackboard, so I have a getting to know you quiz, and then there's a mini quiz that goes along with each of the weekly modules that covers some videos and additional resources for you to review. Then due by Sunday is the class discussion, the group discussion, the journal, and the review and share. And again, all the description of those are in the syllabus. Well, the next week, it's a little bit different because you have an empirical article review. So you'll only be doing a journal and a group discussion. You will not have to do a class discussion or a review and share. Module B will take 1 week and it covers infant toddler development, chapters 5, 6, and 7. Chapter 7 is broken down into 3 separate sections. And again, the quizzes will be completed in Revel, and you'll continue to raise your virtual child up to 2 years old. You do need to go to the end of 2 years old. So, all of the 2-year-old questions basically make your child turn 3 in order to get credit for the assignment. Okay. Module C is 2 weeks. So week 4, we'll go over the chapters related to early childhood development, 8, 9, and 10. You'll have the quiz links in Revel, and again, the typical weekly tasks. You'll also raise your child to the end of 5 years old, week 4. Week 5 will concentrate on the midterm. So you'll be completing exam number 1. You'll have just a few weekly tasks that are actually preparing you for our observation assignments. And your first My Virtual Child reflective assignment will be due reflecting on infancy, toddlerhood, and early childhood. Module D is 1 week long and covers middle childhood, which is chapters 11, 12, and 13. Again, you see all the typical tasks for that week. You will raise your virtual child to the end of 11 years old, and you'll submit both observations, preschool age and school age. They should be 2 separate files that you will submit to 2 separate links. Module C is adolescent development and takes 2 weeks. And I'm sorry, it's not C. That needs correcting. So it should be E is adolescent development and is 2 weeks long. Week 7 will cover the 3 chapters related to adolescence. And you'll have your exam 2 that covers middle childhood and adolescence. You will again complete the quizzes. You'll also have an exam this week. You'll complete the weekly tasks. You'll raise your virtual child to the end of 18, and you'll complete the My Virtual 2 assignment. So again, these last weeks are pretty heavy. So again, make sure that you're staying on top of your work, because week 8 we will have our cumulative or comprehensive final on chapters 1 through 16 called the developmental knowledge exam. It will be online and needs to be completed by that Sunday of the final week. Your reflection will also be due. That's the final MVC reflective assignment. Any optional extra credit is also due then, and no assignments should be submitted after the last Sunday of our course. The course evaluation is also available through My Laverne. Please, as always, email me with any questions.